Subaru debuts their all-new Solterra electric SUV. They revealed it today at the Los Angeles Auto Show. The highly anticipated Solterra is packed with new electrification and in-vehicle technology while staying true to its Subaru heritage with industry-leading safety and go-anywhere capability. This is the brand's first global all-electric vehicle. The name Solterra, what is it? It was created using the Latin words for sun and earth to represent Subaru's commitment to deliver traditional SUV capabilities in an environmentally responsible package. Pretty cool name. Now, Solterra comes standard with a new Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive system that now channels smooth, linear output from Subaru Star Drive technology, providing outstanding traction and capability in all kinds of weather and terrain according to Subaru. The Star Drive delivers substantial on-demand torque at all speeds with power and drive selectable regenerative modes. Like other SUVs from Subaru, Solterra is equipped with X mode, offering increased performance in low friction and off-road conditions. The all-new model features grip control that incorporates hill ascent and descent assist. With 8.3 inches of ground clearance and 215 horsepower from front and rear electric motors, Solterra provides versatility in both off-road and city driving. With up to 126 cubic feet of passenger and cargo space, generous legroom, and a nearly flat floor, the 5-passenger electric SUV gives occupants an airy, open feel of a much larger vehicle. It offers up to 30 cubic feet of usable cargo space behind the rear seats and also features a 60/40 folding seat back and 2-position load floor for maximum cargo and passenger flexibility. The wide 41.3-inch rear gate opening with low liftover height allows easy loading and unloading, as you can imagine. Available raised roof rails add more cargo carrying options for every owner's adventures. For the first time in a Subaru, get this, a 360-degree surround view camera system allows for better all-around situational awareness. Also new for Subaru, Solterra is equipped with standard safe exit assist. The new safety feature notifies people inside before exiting the vehicle of approaching vehicles with an audible and visual warning. Unique to Solterra is the new Subaru Global Platform that has been engineered to bring together Subaru's all-wheel drive capability, superior driving dynamics, and world-leading passive safety. Standard multi-element LED headlights include high beam assist, encouraging drivers to maximize the use of high beams without worrying of impairing oncoming traffic. The new SUV comes standard with driver and front passenger frontal airbags, side curtain airbags, side pelvis, torso airbags, and a driver and front passenger knee airbag. Subaru calls it eco-friendly made easy. Solterra's high-capacity lithium-ion battery pack provides plenty of daily range. The electric SUV can quickly charge just about anywhere with its Level 2 AC and DC fast charging capability. With DC fast charging, Solterra is capable of charging up to 80% of total battery capacity in under an hour. To simplify the charging experience while traveling, mobile apps work with the vehicle's multimedia system to help locate thousands of charging options nationwide, including more than 3,000 DC fast charging stations and 38,000 Level 2 charging stations. You'll be able to explore city streets and open roads with confidence because the all-wheel drive SUV has an estimated range of more than 220 miles. This bold design is an evolution of the Subaru Dynamic X Solid design concept, rendered with the design flexibility of the Subaru Global Platform. At the front, you'll see Subaru's signature grille, which has been tightly integrated with the front fascia. Thin and wide LED headlights complement this design motif. A low hood line also contributes to its sleek styling, aerodynamic performance, and excellent forward visibility while retaining pedestrian impact safety. You'll see on the side short front and rear overhangs and bold wheel arch moldings, providing a confident stance and visually communicating the vehicle's off-road capability. The aerodynamically sloped rear glass has a dual spoiler at the top and ducktail spoiler at the bottom. At the back of the vehicle, the rear combination lamps are positioned high with a trapezoidal theme that strengthens this design. Inside for this new SUV is a clean, minimalist design centered around an intuitive, high-resolution touchscreen with multifunctional display, multimedia, and climate controls. Combined with the available panoramic glass roof and generous storage options, Solterra delivers an interior that Subaru says is not just spacious but also inviting. It comes equipped with an all-new multimedia system with an available 12.3-inch touchscreen. It comes standard with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available wireless charging phone dock in the center console. Smartphone app connectivity includes remote climate control and remote lock and unlocking, both contributing to a more convenient and connected drive. The remote climate control system can automatically warm up or cool down the vehicle before leaving, even when it's in the garage. You can see more details and statistics on everymandriver.com right now. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.